cool. True Islanders know how to cut.
Hey.
What's happening now?
Can't say. When you flip it. Oh! No way! And it kind of falls off.
Yeah, no, that's brilliant.
Beautiful.
But now you have to try, or you can just cut it off. Get it?
Because it's slippery.
Okay, now you try. Okay. And try and get as close to that as you can. Okay. Just try to get in there. That smells good. That's delicious. I need some much sharper knives than this. Yeah, we don't cook much, so I don't really.
Beautiful decision.
All done. Nice job.
I cut through too much.
That's okay. It's your first time.
And it's just the skin.
Yeah.
It can take
And you're not an
Islander, so
and
it's
you're not